So let us start our new science class. Today everyone ready with their copies and pencil? Okay. So today in our science class we are going to do circle the odd one. Okay. So you will find out which one is the odd one. Okay students. So let us write down circle the odd one. Circle the odd one. Here I will give you 3 words. First one is brother, father, and third one is book. So I gave you 3 words: brother, father, book. Now you will tell me which one is the odd one. Yes, very good Ashmita, Shyamprabhu, Srijan. Very nice. So which one is the odd one? Book. So we will circle book. We will circle book. We are doing revisional classes, okay? So everyone please write down your revisional part. Now let us go for the second one. Winter, cement, and brick. So winter, cement, brick. Which one is the odd one? Very good Ashmita. Very good Srijan. Mayuk Majhi, Shyam Prabhu. Okay, very nice. So in the first one, brother, father and book. We circled book. But why we circled book? Because brother is a name of a relation. Father is a name of a relation. But book is not a name of a relation. That's why among brother, father and book, book is odd one. Okay, book looks odd. Now winter, cement, brick. So all of you have given the answer winter. But why winter is odd one out? Okay, Shyama Prabhu is telling it's non-living. But the word winter, it's a name of a season. Okay, so winter is the name of a season or a duration of time which we experience. But cement and brick are related to construction of house, right? They are non-living things, yes, right, but they are related for construction of things. Both cement is also needed to construct pakka house and brick is also needed to construct pakka house. But winter is the season which we experience inside the house, right? Yes, that's why this one is the odd one. Okay, now let's go for the number 3. So number 3, here comes okay. So eyes, shoulders and ears. So which one is the odd one? We are having eyes, shoulder and ears. Okay, so let it be, we are having 2 shoulders. Okay, So I'm receiving the answer, that is shoulders. Now, why shoulders? Shoulders because uh, shoulders means that part of the body where we carry our bag. Eyes is a sense organ, ears sense organ, right? But shoulder is a sense organ? No. So I have written eyes along with ear, and between that is shoulder. So eyes is a sense organ, ears is a sense organ, but very good Ashmita, but shoulder is not a sense organ. So it is odd in this group. Now let's go for number 4. Number 4 is all of you, please write down raincoat, gumboot, sweater. So, raincoat, gumboot, sweater. So, can you tell me which one is the odd one? Which one is the odd one? Very good. I received answer first from Ashmita. Now, okay, very good. Yes, sweater is the odd one because why? Raincoat and gumboots we wear in raincoats and gumboots we wear in which season? Who will tell me? Raincoats and gumboots we wear in which season? Yes, we wear raincoat and gumboots in rainy season, whereas where we wear sweater in which season? We wear sweater in winter season. We wear sweater in winter season. Very good. So, let us go for number 5. Number 5. Okay, very good. All my students are very intelligent. They are all genius. Okay, so now here comes little bit bigger in size. The words are little bit bigger in size. So I'm going to write it in 2 lines, okay? For all of you to make it clear. So here I am writing one word. I am leaving little bit space. I am writing the second word. And the third word I am writing over here. So which one is the odd one? Which one is the odd one? I would request all the students to turn off their cameras so that each and every student can see board. I would request all my students to please turn off your cameras so that each and every student can see the board. Very good. I started receiving answers, and this time Shrestha is the first one to give the answer. I hope Srijan, now your problem has been solved. If there is any problem regarding the microphones, you can write in the chat box so that I can immediately do something from here only. Okay? Okay, very nice. So I would request, okay, very nice. So lovely family is the odd one out. Lovely family. All of us turned off the camera. Turn on. Everyone turn on the camera. Students, I would request parents, please help the students to turn on the camera. I want to see each and every one. Please turn on the camera. So, we learned today odd one and how we will find out the odd one related to each other. The last one, that is large family and joint family, whereas the last one is lovely family. We have learned large family, we have learned joint family, but we have not learned lovely family, because there is not exact any definition of lovely family, how many members live in that, because lovely family or caring family is that family which lives with love in a particular house, right? So there is no exact term lovely family, so lovely family over here is a odd one. Okay, very good. We can use it as adjective. Okay, very nice. So I hope everyone has completed. Everyone has completed. If you have not completed, no need to worry. This video will be uploaded on YouTube. Very good, Granthana. I can see your work. Very nice. This video will be uploaded on YouTube, and you can, what you can do? Yes, you can complete from there also. Ashmita, any problem beta? You have completed? Ashmita Bhabok, you have completed beta? Okay, if you have not completed, no problem. You complete it and then after you show me. Okay, okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, and those who have not completed, little bit slow in writing, you can, what you can do, you can complete it from the video also. Okay, so thank you students. I will be again back, and all of you safely enjoy your holidays. Okay, very nice, Rudraditya Day. Very good, very good. It was in your own handwriting. I am really very much proud of you. Bye bye students.